Tidying my rack up. I'm just going to make this a little bit tidy. There's some equipment that's used and some of it's not. Some of it ready to be used. Like I say, it's a very complicated, complex THX cinema 15.12.68. Yeah, try that. So I put all this equipment in the bedroom out of the way, so I'm going to utilise this space here for something coming soon after the video. Well, it's mostly there. Almost finished. I think I'll just clean the surface there. Okay, that's better. Not sure if I can tighten this up here, but the cables are very, I need a power source coming in. I think I might get a longer USB lead here, because I've got a very short one that's going onto the computer, so I'll probably get a very short, longer one, so then this can be moved a little bit more over this way, and then, I don't know, a bit of blue tack, stick it. There's just not much weight in that box, and blue tack's pretty strong stuff sometimes. I'll keep the THX tape deck. Let's get some cleaning. See if I've got a spare input, which I think I might actually have a spare inputs on the Denon RCA phono. I just like that traditional cinema non-sync. Sometimes that's often played at cinemas. You don't get that now played in cinemas. Yes, the Odeon cinemas are kind of rubbish, and they play this tranquil, hypnotic music that sounds like some cheap YouTube video or playing on loop. So I'll probably make a few alterations here to the rack. Maybe put another rack tray in. Raise the VHS player up a little higher, and then put the THX tape deck on the bottom. Oh, I could put it on top of here. No harm with that. And it actually covers most of those cables. I like cables. At least I know they're doing something. Okay. Okay. So I could use my Rigel oscilloscope here, which is really what I wanted to tidy it up for. I think this rack could get pushed in, but the one of the caster wheels are totally shot. I mean, to literally revamp this rack and then cable tie differently, because I'm not really a thing for cable tying. I've been thinking of a little device, maybe for the Laserdisc players, some sort of optical multi-channel input to a single channel output. Then it can connect into the AVR, so then if I want to use Laserdisc player, say A, B or C, I can then switch for that player, and then the optical output will go to the receiver. It would have to be some very clever multi-channel. It would have to be pretty multi-channel. So it could also pass through the AC3 signal through optical, because then it won't get RF or EMI interference. So I think one of those boxes are out there. Because most AVRs are a load of rubbish. Even a Trinov is a load of rubbish. Bloody hell, how many optical inputs does that thing have? Exactly. All these bloody HDMIs, because they think they want to phase out all the other stuff, because they think everyone's using HDMI. Oh, it's only the fanboys, for all this Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, Disney garbage trash with Atmos. If a Navy receiver or AVP, whatever, hasn't got all the inputs, bells and whistles, then it's a piece of rubbish. Even the Denon's a piece of rubbish that I've got. So that's why I was thinking getting a multi-channel so I can then multiplex the opticals and then maybe how many RCA phonos? Yeah, as well as RCA phono multi-input to a single out, so then it can go into the AVR. So then I can switch if I want to use a Dolby Stereo 424 matrix with a Dolby Stereo CP200. Bear's being mischief. You're being naughty. Yes, you are. You're being naughty. You're being a naughty kitty. Yeah, naughty kitty. Yeah, it's made me kind of feel hot. This has taken me about half hour just to move everything. So I've just got to find some use now for the Rigel, because I want to connect up to the THX and do some other thorough testing that well, can only be done using a THX. You can't use that. You can't do a Trinov and think, oh, I wonder if all the channel levels and gate frequency are all frequency aligned, and that's before you EQ the system.